Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about plus 2 mathematics chapter 3 matrix. An ordered rectangular array of numbers or function is called a matrix. The numbers or function are called elements. Consider the example A11, A12, A13, etc. up to AN. Then A21, A22, A23, etc. up to A2N. And this A11 or A12, these are numbers or function. And these numbers or functions are arranged in a rectangular box is called a matrix. And each of the members is called elements. And here we can see that we arranged some numbers or a function in horizontal line and some are in vertical lines, and these horizontal lines are called rows and the vertical line is called column. And in this case there are n number of rows are there and number of columns are there. So the order of the matrix is m into n. When we write the order, we first mention the number of column, then the number of rows. Consider another example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So these numbers are arranged as a matrix and the order of the matrix is 2 by 3. And in this case 2 is the number of rows and 3 is the number of columns. I hope you understand. The next topic is type of matrices. There are several type of matrices are there. The first one is square matrix. If the number of row equal to number of columns, it is called a square matrix. In this case 1, 2, 3. So 3 columns are there. And 1, 2, 3. 3 rows are also here. So the order of the matrix is 3 by 3 and we can simply write 3. So if the number of rows equal to number of column, then that kind of matrix is called a square matrix. And another one is rectangular matrix. In this case number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Here the number of row is 2 but the number of column is 3. So this kind of matrix is called a rectangular matrix. Third one is column matrix. In this matrix, it has only one column. So the order is m by 1. Consider an example 1, 2, 3, 4. We arranged this number in a vertical line. So it has only one column. So the order is 4 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are here and one column is there. So it is called a column matrix. And another one is row matrix. Row matrix means it has only one row. Then the order is 1 by n. We write this order is in general manner. So consider an example 1, 2, 3, 4. Here one row is there and 4 columns are here. 1 column, 2 column, 3 column, 4 column. So we can expect 3 columns there. So the order of the matrix is 1 by 4. Row matrix means it has only one row. So the another type is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix means if its non-diagonal elements are 0. So we know that this is called diagonal, isn't it? So this is called diagonal, and in diagonal matrix the non-diagonal elements, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this one are 0 and the diagonal elements are non-zero. It is called diagonal matrix. I hope you understand. Then the another one is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix means the diagonal elements are same and the other elements are 0, and that one is called a scalar matrix. The seventh one is identity matrix. Identity matrix means if the diagonal elements are all 1 and the rest all are 0. Identity matrix means only the diagonal elements will be 1 and other elements are 0. This kind of matrix is called identity matrix. This one is very important. Then the other one is zero matrix or null matrix. Zero matrix or null matrix means all the elements are 0. This is called null matrix. So the order of the matrix is also 0. Okay. Then we can discuss some important questions. So this is the question. Construct a 3 by 2 matrix whose elements are given by Aij equal to half modulus I minus 3j. So the answer is, in general we can write, so we wanted 3 by 2 matrix. In general we can write a 3 by 2 matrix like this. Okay. And this is the exact same order of this one. So here the I equal to 1 and this element, and the j is equal to 1, and in this one I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 1. So we can generally write I is equal to 1, 2, 3, j equal to 1, 2. Okay. And when we substitute these values on this equation, we will get different elements of the matrix. Okay, A11 is equal to half into modulus of 1 minus 3. How we get 3? We should substitute 1 in this equation. So 1 minus 3 into 1. So we get 1. And A12 we get 5 by 2. A21 we also get 1 by 2. A22 we get 2. A31 we get 0. A32 we get 3 by 2. And how we get these whole numbers? We substitute 3 and 2. 3 means I, 2 means j. This 3 and 2 on this equation we will get these numbers. Then substitute or write these numbers in a matrix form. We will get matrix 1, 5 by 2, 1 by 2, 2, 0 and 3 by 2. This is the answer of that question. The another important topic is, or a point is, equality of a matrix. How can we say that two matrices are equal? They are of same order, then each elements of A is equal to corresponding elements of B. Suppose this is one matrix and this is another matrix. We said how? And then we said that these two matrices are equal. Okay. And in this case, the order of the matrix is same. Okay. And then this X is correspond to minus 1.5 and Y is corresponding to 0. A is correspond to root 6. Z is correspond to 2. B is correspond to 3. C is correspond to 2. And so we can write X is equal to minus 1.5. Y is equal to 0. Then etc. Okay. Then consider an example. In this case, matrix X plus 3, Z plus 4, 2Y minus 7, and this is one matrix and this one is also another matrix. Then the question is, find the value of A, B, C, X, Y, Z. So how can we find the answer? The value of A, B, C, X, Y and Z. This is based on the concept equality of a matrix. So based on that point, we can equate X plus 3 equal to 0, Z plus 4 equal to 6, then 2Y minus 7 equal to 3Y minus 2, A minus 1 equal to minus 3, 2C plus 2 equal to 0, minus B equal to 2B plus 4. Okay, I'm already written these whole terms like this. Based on the above equations, we can easily find the value of x equal to minus 3, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 5, a equal to minus 2, c equal to minus 1, b is equal to minus 3. So this is the part 1 video of matrix here, and in this video I discussed some basic points about matrix. Next class we can discuss first exercise of this chapter. If you have any doubt about this topic or today's class, please mention that on comment box. Thank you.